A warm welcome to this demo session which will illustrate the MATLAB interface to some extent. So in this what we are going to show is the MATLAB program and its various interfaces and benefits. So first of all, here we can see a MATLAB window being opened. So when you open the MATLAB window, first it goes into the default folder named MATLAB from wherever it is installed, and on the left side of this window you will have a current folder showing all the files that are present in that folder. Then you have a workspace, a command history, and the main component which is called as the command window. The command window is a place where you can write short codes for seeing what the outputs are, or for even calculating certain basic calculations that can happen during your study. So first let us use the command window to find out what is the sum, say 3 plus 10. So you can just use the basic mathematical notations and you can get the answer. It is to be 13. So when you get this answer, the particular variable a and s is displayed on the workspace, and it will show you the value which is 13. It also shows you the minimum and the maximum value. So we'll come to what the minimum and maximum represents. For a scalar quantity here, it doesn't have any significance, but we'll see a different case where minimum and maximum exist. So let us take a matrix now. So let A be a matrix which is defined as follows. So a matrix is defined within two square brackets. So the first row of the matrix is represented like this. So you can define the first row to be, say, 1, 2, 3. So you can separate them by spaces. Now if I put a semicolon, it goes to the second row. So the second row let us define to be 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so that is the matrix. Now we'll type enter. Note that I have put a semicolon at the end of this expression, A equal to the given matrix. Now if I enter this quantity, nothing comes at the output of the command window. The reason is because I have put this semicolon at the end. So I just type A and press enter. Now I'll get the matrix that I have written. Okay, so now let us see what appears in the min and the max. Now you are getting, so A is a matrix having the corresponding values, and the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 5. So that is the matrix. Now you can do all the possible matrix inversions or any other operations using simple functions that are available in MATLAB. Also note that all operations in MATLAB are usually controlled with the help of matrices. Hence the name MATLAB, which represents some matrix operation or a laboratory which works with matrices. So we have explained the MATLAB interface. Now let us see a few more things that we can do in this interface. So there is a start button in the bottom left of the window. So if you press that, you will get a series of options. So the first option here is MATLAB. So suppose you want to write MATLAB code of specific nature, you can use this. So we'll come to this in detail in the next demo session. Let us see through the other basic options also. The second option that appears is a toolbox. So MATLAB consists of a number of toolboxes which are of interest to us because these are specific functionalities that is being inbuilt into MATLAB. So in this course, we'll basically be dealing mostly with the communication toolbox, a filter design toolbox, and if you go into the more option here, you'll have a signal processing toolbox, image processing toolbox. So these are the major toolboxes that we'll be working with in this course. And you can see the third option, which is also a very good option for doing programming. So those people who are less inclined to coding or writing codes can use the Simulink option available within the start menu. So the Simulink option allows you to program with blocks. There are some inbuilt basic blocks that are available within MATLAB which you can use for simulation purposes. Also, we skip the remaining options that are available here and go to the help. So the help is actually a very good way of learning how to use this MATLAB platform. So if you have any doubt on any topic, you can simply use this help window and type your query, and it will give you the essentials of doing a MATLAB code. So that concludes our first demo session. Thank you.